Ну, блядь.
Welcome to the Megan Kelly Show, your home for open, honest, and provocative conversations.
On the chandelier and brought the roof down.
Did they chuck you out? Were you banged?
Yeah.
And they said if you come back...
The monasteries took on an economic as well as
You good boy, Sydney. I think so, mate. See that?
Now you're taking my pen? Oh my god. It's mine.
Look at this pen. This pen doesn't have ink in it. This is a pen you can... Yes. Ha! Good boy.